Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rupali Rathod. I would like to present regarding the correlation and regressions video 5. In this particular video, some of the different examples based on rank correlation and regressions that I have discussed. See, regarding the following table gives the score obtained by 10 students in QT and that is corporate accounting subject. Find the rank correlations coefficient. Scores in QT 60, 50, 40, 30, 40, 70, 80, 40, 50, 80. Scores in accounting 50, 60, 70, 40, 80, 30, 20, 60, 90, 60. Two columns is already given. Now, when there is a repetition of the number, what we have to do? One formula is given. Like kindly see the things Rx column and Ry column. Here some numbers are repeated. Like 4 is there, 5.5, 8, 10, again 8, 3, 1.5. It is being repeated. 8 is repeated, 5.5 and 1.5. When there is a repetition in the X column, scores in QT column and scores in accounting column. When there is a repetition, that time we are going to use some different formulas. Same we have done it for the Ry column. D is equal to Rx Ry. Again D square. Now in this particular Rx column, X column only scores in QT paper, we find like 80 is repeated 2 times. Here we find 2 ranks is already taken on. 2 rank in the sense series regarding the formula. First line Rx is equal to A, that is A is equal to 1 plus 2. First 80, second 80. First rank, second rank. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 divided by 2 numbers were repeated. 80, 82 numbers were repeated. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. When you see Rx column, it is repeated 2 times. You can see that one. Okay, 1.5 is repeated 2 times. Next see regarding the B. In Rx only B. Second time it is there is a repetition in the number. Fifth number and sixth number is repeated twice. Fifth number and sixth number is again repeated twice. Twice in the sense 11 divided by 2. Here we are finding fifth ranking and sixth ranking is considered as repetition number. So 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. C is nothing but third time. Third time 7th rank, 8th rank and 9th rank are repeated 3 times. So divided by 3. Divided by 3. 24 divided by 3, 8. Same way for Y column. There is a repetition in the 4th rank, 5th rank and 6th rank. Okay. Repetition. What it was? The same number is repeated 3 times. Same number is repeated 3 times. So divided by 3. You are getting 15 divided by 3, 5. See regarding the exact value. Exact value in the sense Rx column. Rx column in the sense 80 is repeated 2 times. First rank and second rank is repeated. So 1.5 where there is a 80 number and 1.5 where there is a 80 number. Now 1 and 2 is already over. Now next number is 3. Your third highest is 70 in Rx column. X column. Third highest is 80. Okay. 70. 80 and 80. First rank and second rank is already taken over by 80. 1.5, 1.5. Equal numberings we have given. Now third highest is 70. Fourth highest is 60. Fifth highest as it is a 50 and sixth highest is 50. So fifth and sixth we have taken 11. 11 divided by 2 is nothing but 5.5, 5.5. 2 times we have written. Where there is a number 50. Where there is a number 50 we have taken twice. Same way what we have done in the sense. Next, fifth and sixth is already over. Seventh ranking. Seventh rank is also repeated. Seventh in the sense as it is 40 number. 40 is repeated 3 times. 40, 40, 40. So 7th, 8th, 9th ranking is repeated. So you are getting 7 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 3 is you are getting 8. So wherever there is a 40 number, 8, 8, 8 we have given. Okay, 8, 8, 8. Next last ranking is 10th rank. 30 is your last ranking. 30 is your last ranking. Same way we have done for Ry based on Y column, based on scores in accounting column. So first ranking is 90, second rank 80, third rank 70, fourth rank and fifth rank is repeated. So 3 times it may be. Okay. Fifth 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6. So we are getting 50. 5 is common. 5 wherever there is a 60 number which is repeated 3 times. 60 number is repeated 3 times. So 3 times we have repeated 5, 5, 5 because 4, 5, 6 divided by 3 is nothing but you are getting 5. Okay. Next, after that, next highest is 7th, that is 50. 50. 8th highest is 40. 9th highest is 30. 10th highest is 20. Now next, Rx minus Ry. 4 minus 7, 3. Square of that one, 9. 5.5 minus 5, 0.5. Square of that one, 0.25. Next, 8 minus 3, 5. Square of that one, 25. 10 minus 8, 2. Square of that one, 4. 8 minus 2, 6. Square of that one, 36. 3 minus 9, minus 6. Square of that one, 36. 1.5 minus 10, minus 8.5. Square of that one, 72.25. 8 minus 5. Square of that one, that is 3. Square of that one, 9. 5.5 minus 1, 4.5. Square of that one, 20.25. 1.5 minus 5 is, that is, you are getting minus 3.5. Square of that one, 12.25. Last column total is 224. Now same formula again. That is D is equal to how many times you have repeated, you have to see. In Rx column A, B, C, 3 times it was a repetition. Okay. So what we have to take, that is R is equal to, and last for Ry it is only one time. Ry column only one time 3 numbers were repeated. Okay. So Rx, Ry, Rx 3 times repetition, Ry 1 time repetition. Total 4 times. Okay. So R is equal to 1 minus 6, common formula, in bracket sigma d square plus 1 by 12 compulsory when there is a repetition in the number, in bracket m cube minus m, close the bracket, one time it is over, again plus 1 divided by 12 m cube minus m, again that is plus m cube, that is 1 divided by 12 m cube minus m, fourth time m cube minus m. So 4 times 1 by 12 m cube minus m we are supposed to do. If it is 2 times repetition, 2 cube we are supposed to do. 3 numbers repetition, 3 cube we are supposed to do. So 1 minus 6 as it is, sigma d square is 224. 1 divided by 12, 2 cube as it was a in Rx is 1 plus 2. So 2 times repetition. 2 cube is 8. Minus 2 will be 6. Okay. Same way again second time 2 numbers were repeated. So 1 divided by 12, 2 cube is 8, minus 2 as it is. Again plus 1 divided by 12, 3 cube, because in C, Rx, C is repeated 3 times. 8 is repeated 3 times. 8 numbers, 8th ranking. Okay. 8 numbers is given. So 3 cube minus 3. So 27. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. Minus 3 will be there. So 3 cube again, 27 minus 3, 24. Now next step what we find, 1 minus 6 as it is, in bracket 224 plus 1 by 12. 8 minus 2 will be 6. 1 divided by 12, okay, into 6 will be 0.5. 0.5. Same way again 1 divided by plus 1 divided by 12 into 6. 1 divided by 12 into 4. 1 divided by 12 into 24. Okay. So what we have done in the sense, when it is 6 into 1 by 12 will be 0.5. 6 into 1 by 12 will be again 0.5. 6 into 24 into 1 by 12 will be 2. Again 1 by 12 into 24 is 2. So 224 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 2 plus 2. It is equivalent to 229. 6 into 229 will be 1374 divided by 990. 990 how you got? 10 cube. 1000 minus 10, 990. So 1374 divided by 990 is nothing but you are getting 1.39. 1 minus 1.39 is nothing but that is minus 0.39, negative answer. Okay. Here in this particular example they have given 3 judges. 3 judges in the sense 1, 2, 3. That is, the competitors in a competition are ranked 3 judges by 3 judges in the following orders. Judge 1, 2, 3. So first one 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 10, 9, 8, 1. Second is 4, 5, 7, 6, 9, 8, 2, 1. As it is a 3, 10. Third judges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 10. Already ranking is given. Now next step what we are doing, D1 is equal to R1 minus R2. D1 is equal to R1, judge number 1, judge number 2. Okay, that one, D square column. D2 is nothing but R1 minus R3, third judge. First judge and third judge. Next D2 square. Next D3 is nothing but R2 minus R3, second judge and third judge. D3 square. Okay, 3 times D1 square, D2 square, D3 square we have done. So judge number 1, D1 column, your fourth column. That is, fourth column is nothing but 2 minus 4. First and second column is equivalent to fourth column. Okay, 2 minus 4 will be minus 2, 3 minus 5 will be minus 2, 5 minus 7 will be minus 2, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 6 minus 9 minus 3, 7 minus 8 minus 1, 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 1 8, 8 minus 3 5, total minus 9. Okay, 1 minus 10 will be minus 9. D square is nothing but square of your D1. 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 1 square 1, 8 square 64, 8 square 64, 5 square 25 and 9 square is 81. Total of D1 square is 260. Same way we have to do it for the D2 square. D2 square is nothing but R1 minus R3, first column and third column. First column minus third column. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus 2 is 7 is 2, 4 minus 4 0, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 7 0, 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 8 2, 8 minus 9 minus 1, 1 minus 10 minus 9. Square of that one you will be getting total 106. That is 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 4 square 16, 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 9 square 81. Okay, last column again, second column and third column. That is 4 minus 1, 3, square of that one 9, 5 minus 2, 3, again square of that one 9, 7 minus 3, 4, square of that one 16, 6 minus 4, 2, square of that one 4, 6 minus 4, 2, square of that one 4, 6 minus 9 minus 5 is 4, square of that one 16, 8 minus 7 1, square of that one 1, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 6, square of that one 16, 1 minus 8, square of that one 7, 7 square 49, 3 minus 9 minus 6, square of that one 36, 10 minus 10 0, square of that one 0, total 152. Okay, now see first and second judge. First and second judge is nothing but R is equal to 3 times we are calculating the formula. R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by m cube minus n. 1 minus 6 into 260 is nothing but 1560. 10 cube is 1000, minus 10 will be 990. 1 minus 1560 divided by 990 is 1.58. 1 minus 1.58 is nothing but 0.58. 1 minus 1.58 is minus 0.58. First and third judge in the sense is equal to sigma d 6 sigma d square divided by m cube into m. That is 6 into 106 is divided by, that is 636, divided by m 10 cube is 1000 minus 10 is 990. 636 divided by 990 is 0.64. 1 minus 0.64 is nothing but 0.36. Same way we have done for the third judge. Third judge in the sense you are getting 6 into 156 is 936, divided by 990 is nothing but 0.95. 1 minus 0.95 is nothing but 0.05. Since the ranking correlation is maximum between first and third judge, so we can say that first and third judges have nearest approach in common taste of the rank. Thank you.